Once upon a time, Lord Indra got angered with farmers and decided not to rain for 12 years. The farmers worried and prayed to Lord Indra, "Do not do this. In absence of rain, it will not be harvest." Lord Indra told the solution to the farmers that if Lord Shiva will play his Damru, then it may rain, and secretly urged Lord Shiva not to play the Damru for the rain. So when the farmer reached Lord Shiva, Lord Shiva replied, "The Damru will play only after 12 years." If all the farmers returned their home frustrated and decided not to work for 12 years. But one farmer was regularly working in his fields. He is hoeing, condemning, plowing, and sowing seeds. All the other villagers started making fun of him and asked the farmer, "When you know that it is not going to rain for 12 years, then why are you wasting your time and energy?" The farmer replied, "I know it is not going to rain, but I'm doing this work for my practice. If I'll not work, my body's habit of doing labor will be lost. And when it rains after 12 years, I'll not be able to do my work." Mata Parvati was curiously listening to this discussion and spontaneously asked Lord Shiva, "You do forget to play Damru in 12 years?" Lord Shiva worried, and to check whether Damru was playing or not, he picked up the Damru and started trying to play. As soon as the Damru played, it started to rain. And the farmer, who was regularly working in the fields, got the rich crop. And other farmers left nothing but the guilt. So, ladies and gentlemen, this is lockdown, but it's going to end one day. We should practice our interest, we should practice our skills. So when it's normal, we all be ready to hit the bullseye. My dear friends, practice your skills, learn new skills, sharpen the saw. The Damru can play anytime. Thank you.